Welcome to the user manual for the Resident Register Transition Management System, RRTMS. This video will show you how to use the student mobile app and the admin web platform. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the app and log in with your admin registered student email and password. Tap Login to access the home screen and explore the app's features. Then Step 2. View and update your profile. On the home screen, scroll to the Profile option and tap to open it. To make changes, click Edit in the top right corner, update your details, and save. Now Step 3. Verify your profile. To proceed with selecting your desired room, ensure your profile is verified. Step 4. Room selection. Once verified by the admin, click Next to select your desired building. After selecting the building, a map will appear. Use the map to choose a room based on the unit and floor. You can also use the filter button to narrow your options. Step 5. Confirm room selection. The blue box on the map shows the room you've selected. Below it, you can review the room details. Once you're done, click Confirm and wait for admin verification. Step 6. View digital room keys. Once verified by the admin, click Next. The terms and conditions will appear, read through them, check the box to agree, and click Next. Afterward, the app will display your digital room keys and building details. Now that you've learned how to select a room, the app offers many other features you can try. Start with the Change Room feature, which helps you transition from your old room to a new one. There's also the Swap Room feature, allowing you to swap rooms with another student. Additionally, you can view your digital room keys and update your profile through the View Profile function. Now let's take a look at the Change Room feature. Start by opening the Room Transfer option. Once you do, you'll see some details about your current room and the choices available. To begin, select Change Room. Just like before, pick the building you want, then choose the room in your desired unit. After reviewing your application details, hit Confirm, and then just wait for the admin to approve it. Once you're approved, you'll need to sign the rules, terms, and conditions. After that, you can review your updated room keys. Next up, we have a feature inspired by the idea of swapping rooms with someone else. It's called the Swap Room function. Now let's take a look at the Swap Room function. First, the initiating student must register for the Swap Room feature. Once you click the Swap button, you'll need to sign the rules, terms, and conditions. Then click Next. After that, you'll review your profile and have the option to upload supporting documents for your room swap. Scroll down, then click Confirm. Once confirmed, the matchmaking interface will appear. For the requested user, needs to click the Swap Room with Other Request function, agree to the terms and conditions, then click Next. After that, the requested user will see a list of room swap requests from initiator users. Use the search function to find the person you want to swap with. Click the box, read the terms and conditions, then continue. The interface will change to Waiting for Initiator User Approval. Back on the Initiator User interface, additional information about the requested user will be displayed. Scroll down and decide whether to accept or reject the request. Once you click Accept, the interface will show Waiting for Admin Approval. For the requested user, once the initiator accepts the swap, the requested user can also view the initiator's details and decide whether to accept or reject. Once the requested user clicks Accept, the interface will show Waiting for Admin Approval, just like for the initiator. Once the admin approves, both users will receive their updated room keys, which will be displayed on the screen. Now, let's take a closer look at the administration functions on the web platform. To get started, log in using the pre-registered admin account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the default admin dashboard. From here, let's explore some of the other dashboards available to admins. First, we have the Student Dashboard, which is specifically designed to show data insights for all students registered on the RRTMS mobile app. It provides a clear overview of all student-related information. Next, we move on to the Building Dashboard. This dashboard gives detailed insights for each building in the system. If you select a specific building, it will take you to the fourth dashboard, which provides even more specific data for that building. Now let's go over some of the general functions available on the website. Most of the functions under the Student category follow the same design. This is where admins can review applications and decide whether to accept or reject them. For example, let's take a closer look at the Student Swap Unit function under the Action Students category. To take action on a request, you just need to click the Edit button in the Action row table. This will bring up the user's details, and from there, you can review the request, add any remarks, and decide whether to approve or reject it. Moving on to the next section, the Action on College category lets admins manage the list of college buildings and track buildings that are currently under maintenance. It's a straightforward way to keep everything organized and up to date. Finally, let's talk about the Add Students function. This is a crucial step for the system because it's how admins input student data into the system. Once the data is added, students will be able to log in to the RRTMS mobile app. If you need more detailed guidance on any of these functions, feel free to refer to the RRTMS user manual. Thanks for watching, and we hope this overview helps you get the most out of the system.